General knowledge, questions and answers on the topic acupuncture. What is acupuncture and how does it help? Modern research has demonstrated acupuncture's effects on the nervous system, endocrine and immune systems, cardiovascular system, and digestive system. By stimulating body's various systems, acupuncture can help to resolve pain and improve sleep, digestive function, and sense of well-being. How does acupuncture work? One major hypothesis is that acupuncture works through neurohormonal pathways. Basically, you put the needle through specific points in the body and stimulate the nerve. The nerve actually sends signals to the brain, and the brain releases neural hormones such as beta endorphins. What is acupuncture used to treat? Acupuncture involves the insertion of very thin needles through your skin at strategic points on your body. A key component of traditional Chinese medicine, acupuncture is most commonly used to treat pain. Increasingly, it is being used for overall wellness, including stress management and depression. Does acupuncture really work? Disruption of the energy flow can cause disease. By applying acupuncture to certain points, it is thought to improve the flow of QI, thereby improving health. Studies have shown that acupuncture is effective for a variety of conditions. Acupuncture is not for everyone. What are the negative side effects of acupuncture? The most common side effects of acupuncture including bleeding, soreness, or bruising at the site of needle insertion. Other risks of acupuncture includes dizziness, fainting, local internal bleeding, convulsions, hepatitis B, dermatitis, nerve damages, increased pain, and very rarely injury to an internal organ. How far do acupuncture needles go in? Acupuncture needles are sterile, pre-packaged, disposable and hair thin. The needles are placed at various depths, ranging from a fraction of an inch to 2 inches. After the needles are inserted and stimulated, they stay in place from a few minutes up to 20 minutes. Why is acupuncture painful? While the experience will be different for everyone, acupuncture usually doesn't cause discomfort or pain. This may be a sign that the treatment is working and the acupuncture point is being activated. You may also feel a heavy or electric sensation. Feelings of warmth may arise at the acupuncture points. Where do acupuncture needles go for anxiety? But the needles don't just go in random places along your anatomy. They need to be inserted into very specific locations based on your physical or mental symptoms. Points for anxiety may include your breastbone, between your eyebrows, or the insides of your wrists. How long does acupuncture last? Typically, the body adjusts within a few sessions and the results will begin to show. All in all, the effects of acupuncture may last for a couple of days or even a couple of weeks. There are patients that go in for sessions multiple times a week, and there are some who only go once in a month. How long is acupuncture session? Some may actually experience benefit after the first treatment. Each session may last 30 minutes to an hour, with the needles being retained for 15 minutes or so, depending on the condition being treated. Duration of sessions may be from 2 to 6 sessions. Does acupuncture release toxins? Acupuncture was designed to assist your body in achieving balance, and in this case, it restores that balance by assisting the vital organs in one of their most important functions, removing toxins from your body. What happens to your body after acupuncture? The fatigue after acupuncture is your body telling you that it is depleted. Body parts where acupuncture needles get inserted can feel sore after needles are removed. Soreness from acupuncture typically dissipates within 24 hours, although less common than soreness bruising can occur at the needling site. Is acupuncture good for anxiety? One promising study from 2015, for example, found that acupuncture improved symptoms in people with anxiety that did not respond to other treatments, including psychotherapy and medication. In a more recent 2016 study on rats, acupuncture was found to be effective for reducing anxiety. Which Chinese dynasty invented acupuncture? In Chinese acupuncture history, the first record of treating disease dates back to 1500 BC during the Shang dynasty. In Chinese acupuncture history, the first known acupuncture text is the Ni Jing or Yellow Emperor's Classic of Internal Medicine. Why do acupuncturists look at your tongue? When looking at a patient, an acupuncturist is observing the general appearance, physical shape, facial color and features, and the tongue, all as insights into the state of health from vibrancy to illness. When looking at the tongue, the overall body, shape, color, coat, and texture are observed. What should you not do before acupuncture? It is best not to receive acupuncture on an empty stomach. However, don't eat a heavy meal before or after the session. Also, refrain from using caffeine or alcohol for several hours before and after the treatment. Please don't brush your tongue. How often should you have acupuncture? How often should I have acupuncture treatments? The number of treatments required depends on each person's condition and responses to acupuncture. One acupuncture session doesn't usually result in relief of pain. 1 or 2 sessions a week for 5 to 6 weeks is the normal course of treatment. What should I avoid after acupuncture? After your treatment, take it easy. It is best to avoid the substances listed above: alcohol, caffeine, etc., heavy exercise, stressful intellectual work, and sex for the rest of the day after you have had acupuncture. Can acupuncture damage nerves? Are there side effects or complications from acupuncture? The insertion of needles may also cause bruising. In rare instances, acupuncture may cause nerve damage or puncture the lungs or other organs. Your practitioner has received extensive training and takes significant measures to avoid such an occurrence. Why is acupuncture so expensive? Many people assume acupuncture is expensive because it may seem like a specialized form of treatment. While fees vary, in many instances, initial acupuncture visits ranges from $75 to $95 for a session and medical consultation. How do you know if acupuncture is working? Well, you should treat your body the same. When you first start doing acupuncture, you will notice bodily sensations more acutely. That is to say, you will be more aware of the little things you did not notice before and more clued into how your body is functioning overall. Your senses will be keener and more awakened. Is it common to get sick after acupuncture? Following an acupuncture session, some people find that the symptoms of their condition or illness temporarily worsen or flare up. Some people also experience sweating, dizziness, and feel faint. These effects are usually short lasting and pass within few hours. Why is acupuncture so relaxing? Doctors of traditional medicine believe that acupuncture works on neurohormonal pathways, fancy words for the needles stimulating the nerves, ultimately sending signals to the brain to release happy feeling endorphins that in turn make you feel pain free, which really is not a whole lot different than smoking weed. Why acupuncture works for anxiety relief? Depending on where the needles go, acupuncture can cause the nervous system to produce pain-killing chemicals, jumpstart the body's natural ability to heal itself, or stimulate the part of the brain that controls emotions, including anxiety. 2. Acupuncture needles go into the muscle. Medical acupuncture involves using long, thin needles to stimulate nerves in the muscles and under the skin. This can result in the production of endorphins, which may relieve some symptoms. What does a white tongue mean in acupuncture? In TCM, a normal tongue is one that is light red or pinkish with a thin, white, and moist coating. A pale tongue indicates insufficient blood or coldness, while a purplish tongue means poor blood circulation. Does acupuncture reduce inflammation? One well researched effect of acupuncture is reducing inflammation throughout the body. Acupuncture stimulates chemicals that reduce swelling and quite unwanted immune responses and allergic reactions. How does acupuncture relieve pain? Traditional Chinese acupuncture involves the insertion of extremely fine needles into the skin at specific acupoints. This may relieve pain by releasing endorphins, the body's natural pain killing chemicals, and by affecting the part of the brain that governs serotonin, a brain chemical involved with mood. Is acupuncture good for sciatica? Acupuncture relieves sciatica, reduces inflammation. Acupuncture and helps relieve sciatica, a condition characterized by lower back pain radiating through UGH, the hips, buttocks, and legs. Acupuncture combined with herbal medicine achieved a 95% total effective rate. Is it normal to fall asleep during acupuncture? But the treatment itself also has sleep indicating effects. Once the body settles into the balanced state, deep relaxation, yes, to the point of falling asleep is almost inevitable, and many people share my experience of having intense mid acupuncture dreams. Zeller says, why do I feel dizzy after acupuncture? Feeling dizzy or lightheaded post treatment is quite normal and you must not panic about it. It can be due to renewed energy flow through previously blocked meridians. It also a sign that your body is healing itself. If dizziness is accompanied by mild nausea, then you should consult your therapist. What is a healing crisis? A healing crisis is a temporary worsening of symptoms after beginning a scam treatment. You may also see it called a homeopathic aggravation, a detox reaction, or a cleansing reaction. For example, in the area of homeopathy, the healing crisis has been estimated to occur at a frequency of 10 to 75%. Which acupressure point is for sleep? The spirit gate point is located at the crease on your outer wrist below your pinky finger. To treat insomnia, feel for the small, hollow space in this area and apply gentle pressure in a circular or up and down movement. Continue for 2 to 3 minutes. What is the pressure point behind the ear called? Mandibular nerve behind the ear. With a thumb or knuckle, you can apply pressure just behind the ear on the back of the jaw. The pressure should be applied toward the neck and then forward at a direction toward the opposite eye. What is the best vitamin for stress and anxiety? Vitamins and other dietary supplements. Vitamin A. People with anxiety sometimes lack vitamin A. Vitamin A is an antioxidant that has been shown to help manage anxiety symptoms. B complex. B complex supplements contain all the B vitamins that your body needs. Vitamin C, vitamin D, vitamin E, fish oil, GABA, L-theanine. Is acupuncture better than massage? This study provides evidence that massage is effective in treating low back pain when compared with acupuncture and self care. After 10 weeks of treatment, Although the benefit over self care was substantially less at 1 year, massage can help patients feel better sooner and use fewer medications. What happens when dry needling hits a nerve? Nerves or blood vessels may be damaged from dry needling, which can result in pain, numbness, or tingling. However, this is very rare event and is usually temporary. Damage to internal organs has been reported in the medical literature following needling. However, these are extremely rare events, 1 in 2 lakhs. Do you have to take your clothes off for acupuncture? To receive acupuncture, you may not need to remove your clothes like you would for a massage. However, they do recommend wearing loose clothing so that sleeves can be rolled up above the elbows and pant legs can be pulled up above the knees. Is acupuncture good for lymphatic drainage? Acupuncture can treat lymphedema by not only addressing the lymphatic system but also by targeting areas in the body that assist in decreasing inflammation, increasing tissue oxidation, aid in detoxification, and supporting general wellness. Does acupuncture relieve arthritis pain? Research offers limited, but in some cases promising, evidence that acupuncture can help with arthritis symptoms. More than 2000 acupuncture points connected to the meridians, stimulating those points with needles, it is said, will correct the flow of QI and alleviate pain. Does acupuncture work immediately? There is no universal response to acupuncture. Some people feel relaxed and maybe a little tired. Others feel energized and ready for anything. Kempsty explains some people experience an improvement right away, and for others, it can take several treatments before noticing a positive change. What are the negative side effects of acupuncture? The most common side effects of acupuncture include bleeding, soreness, or bruising at the site of needle insertion. Other risks of acupuncture include dizziness, fainting, local internal bleeding, convulsions, hepatitis B, dermatitis, nerve damage, increased pain, and very rarely injury to an internal organ, of course. Where is the pressure point for sciatica nerve? Interestingly, acupressure, a form of acupuncture, applies pressure to the Yoyang-gon acupuncture point to relieve acute sciatica pain and low back pain. This acupuncture point below the spinous process of the fourth lumbar vertebra, where the sciatica nerve branches out from the spinal cord. Is acupuncture medically proven? There is no scientific proof that the meridians or acupuncture points exist, and it is hard to prove that they either do or do not. But numerous studies suggest that acupuncture works for some conditions. Acupuncture points are seen as places where nerves, muscles, and connective tissue can be stimulated. Why can't I sleep after acupuncture? Sometimes following acupuncture, some feel worse before they start feeling better. People can feel tired after acupuncture. A more common result is increased energy. The fatigue after acupuncture is your body telling you that it is depleted. Can acupuncture help you lose belly fat? In a new study in the journal Acupuncture in Medicine, folks who got acupuncture for 8 weeks saw a 6% reduction in BMI, a smaller waist circumference, and a loss in overall body fat. Stimulating specific points can help suppress appetite and increase metabolism, explains study co-author Sabina Lim. Can acupuncture help with sleep issues? Acupuncture is often used in traditional Chinese medicine for the treatment of insomnia. The results of recent studies have shown acupuncture improved sleep quality in people with insomnia. How many acupuncture sessions are needed for insomnia? The number of sessions needed also vary. She says for acute problems such as injuries, you might be okay with just doing 1 to 3 sessions. If it is a chronic issue like insomnia, it may require a longer treatment time. What do you wear to acupuncture treatment? Acupuncturists may need to access areas under your clothes, but they will properly drape you so that only small portions and areas of skin are exposed. However, they do recommend wearing loose clothing so that sleeves can be rolled up above the elbows and pant legs can be pulled up above the knees. What do the needles do in acupuncture? Acupuncture seeks to release the flow of the body's vital energy or chi by stimulating points along 14 energy pathways. Some scientists believe that the needles cause the body to release endorphins, natural painkillers, and may boost blood flow and change brain activity. Is acupuncture better than massage? This study provides evidence that massage is effective in treating low back pain when compared with acupuncture and self care after 10 weeks of treatment. Although the benefit over self care was substantially less at 1 year, massage can help the patients, feel better sooner and use fewer medications. Who invented acupuncture? Chinese Emperor Hongdi. Historically, the discovery of acupuncture was credited to the Chinese Emperor Hongdi in 2500 BC. He also is credited with the invention of Chinese written language and agriculture. The development of acupuncture likely predated Emperor Hongdi and took place during the Neolithic period 5000 BC to 6000 BC time. Why was acupuncture invented in ancient China? Acupuncture, ancient Chinese medical technique for relieving pain, curing disease, and improving general health. It was devised before 2500 BC in China and by the late 20th century was used in many other areas of the world. Who is the father of acupuncture? Xi Min. Shi Min is known as the father of acupuncture. The Eastern Medicine Center is fortunate enough to have an established relationship with Dr. Shi that spans over many years. The renowned traditional Chinese medicine doctor has made significant contribution to medicine over his 50-year career. Is acupuncture medically proven treatment? There is no scientific proof that the meridians or acupuncture points exist, and it is hard to prove that they either do or do not. But numerous studies suggest that acupuncture works for some conditions. Acupuncture points are seen as places where nerves, muscles, and connective tissues can be stimulated and activated. What culture uses acupuncture? The ancient practice of acupuncture started in China approximately 3000 years ago. The first documentation of acupuncture that described it as an organized system of diagnosis and treatment is in the Yellow Emperor's Classic of Internal Medicine, which dates back to 100 BC. Which Chinese dynasty invented acupuncture? In Chinese acupuncture history, the first record of treating disease dates back to 1500 BC during the Shang dynasty. In Chinese acupuncture history, the first known acupuncture text is the Ni Jing or Yellow Emperor's Classic of Internal Medicine. What is the theory behind acupuncture? Developed thousands of years ago before the advent of scientific research. The theory behind acupuncture is the QI or life energy flows along pathways throughout the body. Disruptions can cause disease. Inserting needles in some of the 365 accessible acupuncture points can bring the energy flow back into balance. Acupuncture origins and history in brief. Acupuncture is believed to have originated around 1000 BC in China. Around this time, the Yellow Emperor's Classic of Internal Medicine Hongdi Nijing was published, though some experts suggest it could have been practiced earlier. Acupuncture practiced today in Indian subcontinent mainly shows Chinese origin, and its introduction to India was pioneered by Dr. B.K. Basu, the first Indian who learned Chinese acupuncture from mainland China during 1959. What is ancient Chinese acupuncture? Acupuncture is an ancient Chinese system of medicine which involves the practice of inserting fine needles into the skin. The history of ancient acupuncture originated with the use of these stones. Then slivers of animal bones were used. Later still, bamboo needles were used for the therapeutic purposes.